7 இல்லம்மா 10 நிமிஷம். நான் அதுக்கு தான் 10:33ன்னு சொன்னேன். Listen. We have come to the shortcut keys used in MS Windows. We have already seen these things under practical category. We have already used all these shortcut keys, including control panel, and we have done the practicals. Now we simply repeat whatever shortcut key was used earlier. Okay, F1 is always the help key. F1 is the help in any computer. F1 will give you help. Whatever program you open, the help will be available under F1 key. Then F2, rename. Under File Explorer, if you press F2, it is for rename. F3, search, find files. Windows are, sorry, Windows E. If I press F3, it will go to the search box. The cursor is blinking over there. I can type something and get the results. Okay, it goes to the search bar. Okay, then F5, refresh. You already do this when you run Firefox browser and it's not responding. You press F5, say resend, and then wait for the result. F5 is for refresh. Then F6, move among different panes of Windows Explorer. If I keep pressing F6, you see what happens. The focus. Now you see blue color here. Then it will shift to some other place. Maybe the bottom, status bar. Then menu. Then quick access. Whatever place, there are several panes. This one is the left pane or the address. Sorry, this is the folder list. Then this is the work area. Then this is the address bar, equivalent of address bar in our browser. Here we type the location to which we need to go. C:/. You type anything, you go there. Then this is the search box. I keep pressing F6. I'll move between all these. Do you see the changes happening? Focus is shifting. The blue color border is shifting from one panel to another panel in the Windows Explorer. F6 is for shifting the focus. Then Windows L for locking the computer. When you press Windows L, whatever program is running, it will not disturb the program. Whereas it will simply lock the display so that you may come back and open the display for continuing the work. It will not close any program. Then Windows M, show the desktop, minimize all windows. M for minimize all the windows. Then Windows D, show the desktop again. Both the keys, Windows M and Windows D, will show the desktop. Windows D. If I press Windows D, everything will vanish and the desktop will be visible. This is the quickest way for reaching the desktop. Then I come to Windows R, run a command. You already know this. Windows R, we have been using it for invoking MS Paint, Notepad, WordPad, and WinWord right now. Then Windows P. This is one important key in which we share the display. Windows P. When I press Windows P button, it shows the display options. You may share the display with a second screen, or you may see it on the second screen only. You just take a look at this. The laptop and the panel, LED panel, are synchronized. They are showing the same display. Whereas when I press PC screen only, it will not go to the panel. It will come only to the PC screen. Then second screen only. When I press second screen only, it goes only to the second screen and here it will be blank. Now I press duplicate. Both of them will show the same display. Duplicate. Now I have given duplicate. Both of them are synchronized. Windows P. P for projector. P for projector. Projector settings. Okay. Screen sharing has stopped. Oh. You may continue screen sharing again because it was sharing the screen of the LED panel. Then Windows V, clipboard option. Windows V for clipboard. Wait. Windows V. Oh. Why nothing happens? Wait. Now I press Windows V. start clipboard. Clipboard is not starting. Maybe under notifications, clipboard will be starting. Whereas clipboard history, actually, Windows V stands for clipboard history. Control V is the key for pasting. Whereas Windows V is the key for maintaining clipboard history. That is, you copy something, paste it, and then copy something else. What will happen to the previous copied content? It will go to another larger clipboard. By pressing Windows V, we can start the clipboard application, whereas it's not starting right now. We will see why. Okay, then Windows K. Windows K for sharing of audio and video. Sharing of audio and video over stream, over an internet stream or over some wired connection. You can share your computer's display and audio through Windows K shortcut. This is for sharing. This is for sharing. Then Windows I. This is Windows I. We have already used it. It is the settings application. Windows I is for settings. Windows I for settings. Windows A. Windows A for alerts. Windows A, Action Center or alerts, in which we get all the notifications relating to computer and the events happening in the computer. Then Windows S. This is for Cortana. Windows S for Cortana. Cortana is the assistant, similar to Google Assistant in our mobile phone. There is an assistant called Cortana in Windows. Okay, you may type anything, it will search for the content and give the results. Then Windows F, Windows feedback, F for feedback. You send something back to Microsoft that some program is crashing often or that a program is working very well. You are pleased with the functioning of the program. You may send the feedback through Windows F. Then Windows E is the common shortcut for opening File Explorer. File Explorer is opened through Windows E. Windows E. Then shall we recite the shortcuts covered today? Shall we? Yes. F1, Windows Help. F2, Rename. F3, Find Files. F5, Reference. F5, Reference. Then F6, Move. F6, Move. Then Windows L, lock the computer. Windows M, minimize all windows. M for minimize all windows. Windows D, desktop. Windows R, run. Windows P, projector settings. Then Windows V, clipboard settings. Then Windows K, audio video sharing. Windows I, Windows settings. Windows A, alerts or notifications. Windows S, Cortana. Windows F, feedback. Windows E, Explorer. We shall simply repeat the shortcut keys without the functionality. Shall we repeat? F1, F2, F3, F5, F6, Windows L, Windows M, Windows D, Windows R, Windows P, Windows V, Windows K, Windows I, Windows A, Windows S, Windows F, Windows E. With this, we close the class. No MCQ in the morning. You may go and start the practical. Bye-bye. Anybody?